Hey guys, welcome to Makeup and Hustle. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Vidhi and today we're just doing a simple get ready with me. I have some of the products that I hauled in my previous video just over here on my desk. And so I'm just wanting to use those products, and I also just wanted to really try out the Zoeva palettes that I hauled in that video. Before we start out, I just want to quickly share something with you guys, and I may not make a video about that later on, but I know that I recently made a video saying that I was back, but life happened after I posted that video, and you guys know that, I went to India to look after my dad, and we spent some time there, and just as a family looking after him and spending quality time with him. I also shared with you that he was recovering best as he could. But the reason why I've been away is after I filmed that video, a few days later, Mom called us to let us know that Dad was no more. So it's been really difficult to film after that. The video that I posted yesterday was pre-filmed and it was already scheduled to go up, but I actually pushed the date back because I wasn't in that mindset to post any videos or but that's why I took some time to sort of process the news, because it was very sudden. We thought he was getting better, and then to get those news all of a sudden was very, very difficult, to say the least. And I'm just going to move on with the video. Sorry about that. I'm just going to start out by doing my base makeup. So I want to start out with the Flower Beauty Supernova Celestial Primer. I haven't worn makeup since that video. But yeah, so that's... Ooh! What the hell? Ooh. Okay. Just gonna move on. Get this on my face. It smells like lavender. And I'm hoping it's moisturizing enough, because my skin cannot deal with dryness anymore. It looks hydrating, but honestly it doesn't feel as hydrating. Like, look how shiny I look, but it's just giving me shine, but not so much hydration. I swear on camera it looks like I'm hydrated, but not really. I think this is a bad idea. Okay, so it's been a few minutes and I feel like it's not as tacky anymore, so it's definitely absorbed into the skin. I think it's one of those that has like shimmer particles in it, and that's why like it's a bit more reflective. It's not hydrating at all. If you're someone like me that has dry skin, then you need some hydrating primer. Do not try this, it's not for you. But just to give my skin a little bit of hydration, I'm actually going to spray myself with the Mario Badescu, the rose one. I have it in the MAC Fix Plus bottle. So for foundation, I don't know if I should try the Flower Get Real foundation or if I should go for the Camo CC. Let's go with this one. I did sit down to film my wear test on this, but that's the day that I got the news. And I sort of just quickly wiped off because... But from memory, I do remember it being pretty full coverage. So I'm going in with like really thin stripes. I know like it feels like it's a lot, but honestly it's not a whole lot. Like, I'm not even pumping a full pump. And I'm just going to use the sponge to blend it out. So a little bit of it goes a really long way, and I actually forgot to tell you guys what color this was. This is Light 240W, and it's a pretty good shade match. I am usually an NC30 in MAC, and Maybelline Fit Me is 220 Natural Beige. Pretty much natural beige everywhere. I do also, so last time I had gotten the 2 Lanolips lip balms, so I do want to try it. I'm gonna go with the Perfect Nude one, because why not? That actually feels really, really nourishing. This is really nice. Smells really good too. Before I do my concealer or anything like that, I'm just gonna quickly do my brows and I'll be right back. I really love this lip one, it's so good. Oh, for my brows, I actually forgot to tell you. For my brows, I used the Revlon Colourstay Brow Fiber Filler. I did that first, and then I went in with my Maybelline Brow Precise Micro Pencil. I think this is in the light brown or something like that. It doesn't have the shade name, so I give up on these products because like they never seem to care about putting the shade names. It is so frustrating. But anyways, for concealer, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Satin Finish. Like I said, need hydrating products. It's a little bit darker, so this is in medium neutral, but I prefer to have something not as bright. It's just personal preference, but you do you. Just going to use that same sponge to blend that in. It's really, really close to my skin tone, so sometimes like I can wear it on its own, but like I said, I haven't been wearing makeup a lot these days. And as you know, working from home life, and with us, like the meetings as well, we don't need to have the cameras on now that we're not in training. And like also like our team leaders changed, so. But occasionally we do, because we still like to keep in touch with our old team. And like we do definitely miss them, but yeah. I'm just going to quickly set just my under eyes with the Australis Fresh and Flawless in Deep Natural, just with the same sponge. So for bronzer, I'm going to be going in with the Flower Heat Wave Bronzing Essence. Again, this is what I hauled in the previous video. I don't know if I should actually, don't have the best feelings, but we're gonna go with it. It doesn't come in the dropper, so I don't know what the deal is there, but we're gonna go with this. I think the dropper is, oh no, I think I got it. There we go. Just to be on the safe side, I'm just going to blend as we go, just on the other side. It's a serum bronzer, so I reckon like it would have enough time to bronze up, like blend. I think that's pretty decent. What do you guys think? Really nice and shiny, very summery of sorts. Not great things around my nose. I'm just going to diffuse it with the foundation side because there's kind of leaving harsh lines and I don't like that. It's going a little bit patchy. Okay, it's not something that I can see myself reaching for quite often. I'll be very, very honest. And every time I blend it, like I'm going back in with the foundation side to sort of just diffuse any stark edges. Okay, that's that. I'm just gonna leave it at that, to be honest. There's no point going further. And then for blush, I actually really like this. This is the Flower Beauty Lip and Cheek Gel Crush. This is in Blackberry Crush. It's a really cute stick, and as a blush, it's really amazing. I'm actually just going to, again, continue using the sponge, and I'm just going to take it on the sponge and then just dab it onto the skin. It's a really pretty shade. And it smells really good too. And again, just going to take a clean side of the sponge and just sort of diffuse it a little bit. Do you see this line right here? I don't even know what's happening. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it. We're just gonna move on. I'm gonna go back onto this video, look at it and be like, oh my gosh, what the heck was this? We're definitely gonna have one of those moments. I think what I'm going to do is I'm gonna powder my face, even though I didn't want to. And I'm actually going to apply normal blush. I don't know if it's the blush or the bronzer underneath that's causing this issue, but both of them didn't mesh well with this foundation. So instead of wasting time, we might as well move on. This is the e.l.f. Twinkle Pink blush. And I'm just going to... Oh, so much better. And I'm going to go in with the Maybelline City Bronzer and just bronze off the sides. Whew. Should have done that from the get-go. I'm just going to quickly wipe my eyes. And we're gonna go into, I wanna go in with the Cocoa Blend. This is the palette that I've been like dying to get. I'm just going to go in with this one to set all over my eyelids. And then I'm just going to take like a flat sort of a brush and I'm going to go in with actually Substitute for Love, which is just the second shade in the palette, just that one there. And we're going to apply this all over the eyelid. It blends so easily. It is, oh, it's so nice. For the most part, it translates matte, but then it's got just tiny glitter particles in it, which reflects really beautifully. It's very, very subtle, but it gives such a nice look. I'm actually going to take the same shadow just at the tip of the brush, and I'm just going to take that in my lower lash line. Okay. Really, really like how that's turned out so far. I do feel like I want to use this. Let me just have a look. These remind me of the Stila. Well, you know the brand I'm talking about, right? These remind me of those glitter shadows from Stila. I hope that was right. Oh, they're really tiny. What? Okay, let's see. Oh, that is reflective. Wow. Okay. Do you think that'll go? Oh, it might. Let's try it anyway, shall we? If it doesn't go, not that this look has gone that great anyway. It's got a mind of its own today. I'm gonna have to set that, but I'm gonna wait for it to dry just a little bit. So it's most definitely creasing. What I might do is I might actually take, let's go with this one, this color right here, and I'm just going to press that on top of this shadow. That's called Delicate Acidity. Okay, I'm just going to tidy this up a little bit. Just using the same shadow that we used first. And then I'm going to go in with Freshly Toasted, which is just the one next to it. Just this one there. Same brush. Tap off the excess and then just build that intensity. That's a really rich shade. And again, the blending is just so good. Just gonna go in with that big fluffy brush and then just blend out, as I always do. That just sort of diffuses everything together, makes it look seamless. Just gonna go in with like a tiny pencil brush, and I'm just going to go in with Freshly Toasted again. This time I'm just going to place that in my lower lash line. Just deepen it up a little bit. And then I took my face powder and I just cleaned up underneath. And now I'm just going in with a liner. So I hope everything was recorded because I haven't done this in a while, hey. So for highlight, I'm going to go in with the Surf X Revolution one. Here we go. I'm going to go in with, let's go in with this one. I don't know what that is, but I'm going to go in with the other one, so this one on this side, and we're going to apply that in the inner corner. And I'm going to apply that just slightly in my arch. Just going to quickly spray my face with the Mario Badescu spray. I'm going to quickly line my lips with Big Proposal from Essence, which is one of my all-time favorite lip liners. I really like that lip balm, by the way, you guys. The lip balm is making this lip liner go on so smoothly, it's not even funny. Okay, for lipstick, I'm going to use the e.l.f. one actually, because it's new, so why not? So this is in Praline. Oh, that is pretty. Okay, now for mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Sky High Lash Sensational Mascara. Just gonna go in with a couple of coats because that's what you need to do with this mascara. Alright you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Please also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you enjoy beauty on a budget, then this is the channel to be on. Look, honestly, this palette, I'm so glad I got it because I absolutely loved it. Like, you know, the shadows today didn't really pan out because of the because of this little guy, but like these blend like a dream. Like they're so easy to work with. They're so amazing. If you've been looking at like eyeshadow palettes that are worth the money, I would definitely bet on Zoeva shadows. Like I have another palette from Zoeva, which is just fantastic. So if you guys are really looking for something for day to day, you know, something that you don't have to, like if you're a beginner at blending shadows, then this is going to be a dream to work with. So definitely get your hands on this if you can. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and please again don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, take care you guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.